Hi, I am Mohammed Dalwai from Expit. With help of this video, I would like to showcase Expit's project connector for SCSM. The connector is an add-in for MS Project which integrates with the System Center Service Manager, thus bridging the gap between project management and the service management domains. The connector is available for download at Expit website. Once downloaded, it's a simple installation process. As the installation completes, let's start the MS project. You will notice the Service Manager tab. Let's connect to the Service Manager with the login credentials. Once the connector establishes connection, it adds new columns to reflect the fields in the Service Manager. One of the fields is Task Type. This field indicates if the task needs to be integrated with the Service Manager. In this demo, let the task be installing the Windows Server, and we continue populating the fields. Another important field is the CIs, that is the configuration items related to this task. As we finish populating the fields, we click the Publish Task button. Notice the work item ID. The CR stands for Change Request and the PT stands for Project Task. This is the same ID generated by Service Manager and imported into MS Project. We can see the fields populated in the project getting reflected in the Service Manager. These fields may be updated or edited in the Service Manager. Let's edit some. Let's add an activity to the change request. As we refresh the task, the fields are updated in MS Project as well. Click the Get Task to import the change request from the Service Manager into the project server. Unclick the project task to import all the change requests from the Service Manager. These are all the change requests inside the Service Manager. Let's import a few. We can see the change request getting populated into the project server. Let's take the in progress task and mark it as complete. In order to do that, we need to mark complete the activities associated with the change request. Once refreshed, its status is completed. Now, when we refresh the task in the project server, the percent complete of the associated task will become 100%.